Everyone shuffles their opponent's deck and then gives it back to them. Deal yourself 3 cards to start with and determine who goes first. The turn is broken into 4 steps: beginning, draw, play, and end. At the beginning of the turn, look for any cards you have in play, like programs, agents, and effects, that make something happen at the beginning of the turn. Those things happen first. For example, if you had Quick Agent Spike attached to one of your computers, then you would be able to add or subtract 1 code counter to or from that computer, because that is what Quick Agent Spike does at the beginning of the turn. If there is more than one thing happening at the beginning of the turn, you get to decide the order in which they happen. Look carefully and do the math, because it does make a difference. Next, draw 2 cards. Some cards can change this, but to start with, the rule is draw 2, play 2. So next you must play 2 cards from your hand. You will want to read each card in your hand and find out what it does, then play 2 cards, one at a time. Even if you don't want to play them, you must play 2 cards. After you have drawn 2 cards and played 2 cards, then it is the end of your turn. Look for any cards in play that take effect at the end of the turn and do them now. If any programs or other cards last for a certain number of turns, they should have a time counter on them. At the end of the turn, remove 1 time counter from any such cards, and when they reach 0, put them in your discard pile. And there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's that simple. Beginning, draw 2, play 2, end. And now you're ready to play CIA Cyberops.